Okay, so I showed you where colors are, but now let's check at fonts, okay? So I'm going to go into this weekly email. And beforehand, I just used whatever font was in there. I think Arial was the default. So let's go ahead. Okay, here we go. I'm just this and so um, I have my brand fonts in here. So I would definitely have to outline all of it, and then let's go ahead. Do not like that one, but there we go. Thank you. Now I probably would just make this a little bit bigger. Okay. And then I was like 1.5. So I always have that set like that. Um right here, let's see here. Scroll up. All right. And then these would be pop-ins. Okay. All right. So there we go. You can't like change all at one time. However, you can, let's see here, just scroll and then put your brand. Okay, so that is how you do the emails. Now let's go back over to funnels and see where that is. I can find it. Maybe it's just emails. I am not sure. Let's go to the same one that we were in earlier with colors. Okay, edit. Okay, so I'm going to highlight and then this pops up, but it doesn't do the brands. Like it doesn't say, hey, this is your here, headline, content, custom. Yeah, no, it's not having, I mean, you can set them up, but it's not showing the brand kit quite yet. If it will, I have no clue. Hopefully it would. That'd be nice. But with landing pages, it's not that bad. You just, it would be super simple just to go like this and go, what is my, maybe we can, Merriweather. I like Merriweather, by the way. That makes good for landing pages. Um, so yeah, so I guess it's not on the landing page. It is in the email. All right, place I want to see, and that would be websites. Up, edit. Okay. Now, if I did this, nope, it doesn't look like it's over here yet either. Okay, so for the font, unless I come across it somewhere else, and I'm not saying that that's not a possibility. It could be a possibility with the way that Go High Level is set up. Um, okay, so just know right now you can the fonts will show up in um what do you call it? The fonts will show up in emails. So we got that. So that's a good thing. And I will update you guys on other, you know, where I can find them all. Sorry, I'm trying to think about what other places that possibly we could do the fonts. And and also where does our, let's see here, edit. I'm going to go back in because now I'm going to, I do know I want to switch out this. So brand logo. Okay. Brand boards. Oh, okay. So here we go. It brings them right here. Beautiful. All right. Why is it when I click on it, just wants to, because I'm thinking, why is it doing this to me? Okay, there we go. You have to click a couple times. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, people. All right, so there we go. Make sure I publish it.